Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Regional Finance. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in Regional Finance Login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now you will need your username and a password to log in, so type in your username. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on Forgot Username and recover it. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click here and reset it. Now if you click on this box, then you are saving your username on the browser. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on Create an Account to create a new account. Now click on Sign In, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Regional Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.